Okay. Yes, good afternoon, one and all. So we are discussing linear equations in two variables chapter, no? So we have got the idea of the linear equation definition, general form, okay, general form of the linear equation, ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, a and b both are not equal to 0. So this is the definition and general form also of the linear equations in two variables. Then how to express linear equation in one variable into linear equation in two variables, you have got the idea, no? So then how to convert the given equation into standard form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then indicate the values of a, b, c. You have got the idea of writing that a, b, c value, no? So with the help of ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0. Okay. So next, so how to find out the solution of the linear equation? Let us recall our last class. What we discussed in the last class actually. Solution of a linear equation in one variable first we discussed actually. X plus 3 is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 3, 4 minus 3 which is equal to 1. Exactly one solution is there for the linear equation in one variable. Then we moved on to linear equation in two variable solutions. In that we got the idea that linear equations in two variables have infinitely many solutions. See, infinitely many solutions we can find out for the linear equations in two variables. That only we are discussing actually. So we discussed in the last class, no? I gave one exercise as homework. We discussed actually example problems, right? No? All the example problem discussion is over or not? All the example problem discussion over, students? All the example problem discussion is over now? Yes. So now we have to discuss, yes, now we have to discuss exercise. Second exercise we have to discuss. Second exercise is related to solution of a linear equation in two variables. Yes, anybody want to say something? All the example problem discussion over now, students. Example problems you can work out now. Find example 3, you just glance the example 3, you just open your textbook. In that example 3, find four different solutions of the equation x plus 2y which is equal to 6. Okay, x plus 2y which is equal to 6, you can find out four different solutions now. X plus 2y which is equal to 6. Yes, you can work out, I think. Okay, next, fourth question, example 4. Find two solutions for each of the following equations. Find two solutions for each of the following equations. You can find out now, I told now this one, by putting x is equal to 0, calculation of y. Then putting y is equal to 0, calculation of x. So that you will get two solutions very easily. Okay, so you can work out that type now. Yes, now we'll work out the exercise problems. We have to discuss the second exercise now. So can you tell me the chapter number? 10th chapter, no? This is 10.2 exercise, no? Exercise 10.2. We have to discuss exercise 10.2. Okay. So now we have to start the exercise 10.2. In exercise 10.2, already fourth question finished in the last class only. Find the value of k. Okay. So now let us concentrate on the first question. Which one of the following options is true? Which one of the following options is true and why? So this is a multiple choice question. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. Y which is equal to 3x plus 5 has, okay, the question is like this. Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has, first option, a unique solution. Second option, only two solutions. Third option, infinitely many solutions. Now you have to tell me the answer. Y is equal to 3x plus 5 have dash solutions. Dash. Y is equal to 3x plus half 5. Okay. So which option is right? Unique solution for this equation, unique solution, or only two solution, or infinitely many solution? Which option is right for this question? Yes, tell me. Which option is right for this question? One solution? Only one solution? Yes, all are sending the message that infinitely many solution. Infinite. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. y is equal to 3x plus 5. See here, this one is very simple. You can prepare, you can find out infinitely many solutions because this is a linear equation in two variables. See, y is equal to 3x plus 5. This is a y variable, 3x, another x variable. Yes, you can find out infinitely many solutions now. See, I'll give the conclusion. How to find out the solution, I'll explain one time. We have to prepare one table like this. X first, y next, together x comma y solution form. Always solutions are represented by this form, no? X comma y. So now we'll work out few solutions for this. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. Can we start? Okay, y is equal to 3x plus 5. So here x we have to substitute and y we have to calculate. Because the equation is in the form of y form. Here I want to introduce one thing, y form. What is that y form? Y form in the sense, in LHS part only y. Remaining all is in the RHS form. Okay, this is called as y form of the equation. Then what is the x form now? See, y is equal to 3x plus 5. Now this is in the y form. If we want to convert this expression in the x form, then what we have to do? I'll exchange this one. 3x plus 5 which is equal to y. Okay, then 3x which is equal to y. I'll transfer this 5 to this side minus 5. Then x is equal to y minus 5 divided by 3. Then x is equal to y minus 5 divided by 3. This is the x form. This is called as x form. But when x form is there, so fraction is there. It is little bit confusing factor. So how to find out x and y? So but now the problem is already in the y form. Just look at the question. Already the problem is in the y form. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. This is already in the y form only. So in the y form only the problem antandre, you have to select x by your choice. Then you have to calculate y. Okay. Yes. Now I'll start with the first solution. First solution we have to find. First x I'll put 0. X is my selection. For that x you have to calculate y. Okay, x I will choose. X is equal to 0 I am going to take. Then y is equal to 3x plus 5 is our given equation. Then y is equal to 3 into x we are choosing as 0 plus 5. Then y is equal to 3 into 0 is 0 plus 5. Y is equal to 5. So here y value is 5. Solution, first solution is 0, 5. Got the idea of this way of finding the solution? Then x is equal to 1 I'll choose. X1 we have to substitute. Then what is the value of y? Y is equal to 3 into 1 plus 5. Then y is equal to 3 plus 5, that is y is equal to 8. So if we substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8, that solutions are 1, 8. Got the idea of this one? Now, x is equal to minus 1, I will substitute. Positive or negative, any value you can choose. X is equal to minus 1, we have to choose here. So, y is equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 5. Then y is equal to minus 3 plus 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. So, second y value is 2, that is minus 1 comma 2 is another solution. Minus 1 comma 2 is another solution. Now I'll choose plus 2. Okay, now plus 2. So how to find out plus 2? So y is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5. Y is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 5. Then y is equal to 11. Got the idea of this one? 2 comma 11. See, now minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 plus 5 minus 5 plus 6 minus 6. You can continue up to infinity. So you will get the solutions for this equation. Are you observing how to find out the solutions of the equation? So this is very helpful for the next topic also. Graph of the linear equation in two variables. Okay. So now this is the method to find out the solutions of the linear equation. See, you are observing y is equal to 3x plus 5. So we are observing 0, 5 is the solution, 1, 8, minus 1, 2, 2, 11. So these are all solutions. We can continue up to infinity. So which option is right option? Option third. So infinitely many solutions, because what is the reason for that? Linear equations in two variables have infinitely many solutions. Got the idea of the first main question, no? So got the idea of this concept, students? So it is very important for the next topic also. Today we have to discuss the next topic, introduction also. So this is the introduction for the next topic also. Okay. So this is about the first problem. So now we have to discuss the second question. What is the second question? What is there in the second problem? Okay, so now we have to discuss the second question. In the second problem, write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. So there are 3 solutions given in the second main. So we have to find out 4 solutions for the equation. First equation is 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2x plus y, which is equal to 7. We have to find out the 4 solutions for this equation. Can I tell the simple method for this? 2x plus y is equal to 7. You can balance by putting x is equal to something, y is equal to something, calculation which is equal to 7. X, y, x, y, x, y. So better we'll choose one method, last method only. So convert in one simple way, okay, y form or x form. Now here I am going to take this equation in the y form, that is 2x plus y is equal to 7, then y form is y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Got the idea of this one, students? Because why I converted in the y form? Because here y coefficient is 1. So it is very easy, so that I will not get any fraction form. Okay, y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Now what we have to do? We have to prepare one table like this. It is very easy and it is a very best method also to write the solution. X first, y, then together solutions x comma y. Here they have asked the 4 solutions, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns we have to do here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now again same to same procedure. X first I'll choose 0. Usually for the simple type of problem and all, we can choose to start with the 0 only. X is equal to 0. Now we have to start with the first calculation. What is the equation now? Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Then y value 7 minus 2 into x we choose as 0. So then y is equal to 7 minus 0. Y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7. 0, comma 7 is first solution. So I think you have got the same solution, no? So here 0, then y value 7, 7 is equal to 7. So first solution. Now, second one, I'll choose x is equal to 1 here. X place 1 happen. So then y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 1. Y is equal to 7 minus 2. Y is equal to 5. So 1 comma 5 is another solution. 1 comma 5 is another solution. Now I'll choose minus 1. You can go with the plus 2 also. Okay, plus 2, plus 3, whatever you can choose for x. Okay, now we are choosing x is equal to minus 1. So now the third solution is y is equal to 7 minus 2 into minus 1. Y is equal to 7 minus into minus plus. 7 plus 2, y is equal to 9. Got the idea of this one? Minus 1, 9. So minus 1 comma 9. Now fourth solution. We are taking this one as 2. Okay, now fourth solution. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2. So y is equal to 7 minus 4. Y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. 2 comma 3. Did you got the same answer, students? You can get the different answer because linear equations in two variables have infinitely many solutions, no problem. So here we got the 4 solutions in the form of 0, 7, 1, 5, minus 1, 9, then 2, 3. Got the idea of this simple method? How to find out the 4 solutions for this one? 4, not only 4. You can find out infinitely. If they ask 10 solutions also, you can continue this method from this method only. Okay, so this is very comfortable method. So any one value you have to choose. For that value you have to calculate the remaining one. So which one we have to choose? We have to see on the given equation. Here we have converted the equation in the form of y. So y is equal to this thing. Andre y ನೀವು calculation ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. x ನ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Got the idea of this one? You can convert the equation in the x form also. But x form ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ x coefficient 2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ fraction ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Fraction ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೌ? See your second one we'll discuss now. So second question, pi x plus y is equal to 9. Pi x plus y which is equal to 9. See, don't take pi is equal to 22 by 7. You have to keep pi only. Okay? Yes. Now, so here also pi x coefficient is pi. I'm not going to touch with this pi. Y is simple, y into 1. So I'll convert this equation in the form of y form only. Y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Y is equal to 9 minus pi x. This is the y form of the equation. Okay, now we have to find out the four solutions. So I'll prepare the table for this. X, y, x comma y. X, y, x comma y. Four different solutions we have to find here. So first one, I'll choose x is equal to 0. Here, x is equal to 0, we have to substitute. First equation is y is equal to 9 minus pi x. So y is equal to 9 minus pi into 0. Y is equal to 9 minus pi into 0 is 9 only. Anything into 0 is 0 only, no? So 0, 9 is the first solution. 0, 9. Next, second solution. I'm going to substitute x is equal to 1. So now y is equal to 9 minus pi into x value we are going to substitute as 1. Y is equal to 9 minus pi into 1 is pi only. So this is the final answer, 9 minus pi. So this type only you have to keep the answer. So solutions are 1, 9 minus pi. Y value is 9 minus pi. Got the idea? Yes, this is the second solution. Now we have to substitute the 2 plus 2, or you can substitute minus 2 also. Okay, minus 1 also. So now I'm going to substitute plus 2. Third solution, y is equal to 9 minus pi into 2. That is y is equal to 9 minus pi into 2 is 2 pi. So this is the y value, 9 minus 2 pi. 9 minus 2 pi. So the solution 2, 9 minus 2 pi. 2, 9 minus 2 pi. Got the idea? Now you can choose minus 1 also. Minus 1. So fourth one, y is equal to 9 minus pi into minus 1. Y is equal to 9 minus into minus plus pi into 1 is pi. So y is equal to 9 plus pi. 9 plus pi. So the solutions are minus 1, 9 plus pi. Got the idea of this concept, students? So I got the four solutions. Did you got the same solutions? Did you got the same solutions? Yes, got the same solutions, students? Same solutions? Or some students, I think they have substituted pi is equal to 22 by 7. Don't do that, okay? Pi only here, linear equations in two variables. So 0, 9, first solution. 1, 9 minus pi is the second solution. 2, 9 minus 2 pi is the third solution. Minus 1, 9 plus pi is the fourth solution. Got the idea of this problem, students? Yes. Now this is the second question. Now we have to discuss the third problem. Third question. Okay. So what is the third problem? Third problem is x is equal to 4y. Now we have the problem in the form of x is equal to 4y. Now the problem is in which form? The problem is in which form? Yes, students, which form? X is equal to 4y, in the sense this is which form? X form, no? X form, no, students. This is X form. Here what we have to do? Do you want to convert this into Y form? No need. Because X coefficient is 1. Let us keep this problem in the X form only. No need to convert it into Y form. X is equal to 4y. So we will continue the problem with this method only, okay, this equation only. So we have to prepare a table, no? So 4 solutions we have to find here. X, Y, X, comma, Y. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, which is your choice? Which is your choice? X is equal to 4y is there. Which one we have to substitute and which one we have to calculate actually? Yes, tell me first. Where are you all? Are you all there in the class? Are you all sleeping? Yes, meeting warning I got. Fatafat. I'll continue this meeting, okay? Last 10 minutes I need extra. Yes. Which one we have to substitute? 0, 0. Danya is telling that 0, 0. Which one we have to substitute actually? X is equal to something is there in the sense. Y we have to substitute. Y is your choice. Can I write y first only? 0. Y now choose ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು x ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ because the equation is in x form. Now y num choice. Okay? Yes, we have to substitute y. Yes, y is our choice. Y 0, 1, minus 1, 2 ತಗೊಂಡೆ. Is that clear? Y we are choosing as 0, 1, minus 1, 2. Then we have to calculate x. Very simple calculation. No need to write this one also. In within 1 minute we cannot 1 minute also. Okay. So x is equal to 4y. Then x is equal to 4 into, first we are choosing y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 into 0 is 0. So for y is equal to 0, we got the x value 0. So solutions are 0, 0. Solutions are 0, 0. Next one, we are choosing y is equal to 1. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to 4 into 1, that is x is equal to 4. Here x is 4. So solutions are 4, 1. Okay, y ನೀವು choose ಮಾಡಿ x ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ solutions ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ first x then y. Okay, next minus 1, third one. X is equal to 4 into minus 1, that is x is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 comma minus 1, another solution. Next 2 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. X is equal to 4 into 2, that is x is equal to 8. 8, 2. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು 15-20 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. x is equal to ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ x ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. y ನೀವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರಾಯ್ತು. 0, 4 into 0, 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1, 4 1s are 4. 2 ಹಾಕಿ, 4 2s are 8. 4 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 4 3s are okay, next 4 4s are ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದಲೂ 1 ಆಯ್ತು. 4 into minus 1, 4 into minus 2, 4 into minus 3. Like that you will get many solutions, infinitely many solutions. Now you got the idea of the x form and the y form. Got the idea of the problem, the students? Yes, this is about the second main, third problem. So now we have to discuss the third main question. So third main question, okay, fourth main is already finished. So now what we will do, already I got the meeting warning. So I'll end this meeting. You have to join with the same link for another 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes I'll continue the class. So that will end up the class. Is that clear? Okay. Last one main we have to discuss because fourth main is already discussed in the last class. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to end this meeting. Join with the same link. 24 are their strength. Very less in strength.